Hi guys, how are you all doing? Look what I have here from Amazon. Let's open it. Wow! A Smart Devil Humidifier. Guys, this is my second Smart Devil Humidifier. The other one, it didn't work anymore, so I emailed the Smart Devil management to send me another one. They sent me again a new Smart Devil Humidifier, and they gave me a chance to give you a 35% discount. How about that? Here's the code, guys. Take a look. Smart Devil Humidifier, discount code MMCGDN43, and you will get 35% off. This is only valid for 10 days, so hurry up and order at Amazon. This is very essential nowadays. Especially there is another variant. Aside from that, this is very essential for me. And I know you need this in your home also. And aside from that, this helps us to purify the air. If I don't have this, my skin is very dry. I keep this on during the night while we are sleeping. There's a manual how to use this and one free filter. If there's something wrong with it, you can send it back and they will give you a new one within the warranty period. So this is how it works. It has already filter in there. And there's a charger. Put water below the red line. You don't need to use alkaline water, just put normal water. Or if you prefer alkaline, why not? Close it. There you go. I'm telling you guys, this is very essential and I love it. What can I say more? It makes the air fresh. I think it helps to fight the new variant. Ayan guys, order na po kayo. 35% off. This is a Christmas gift from Smart Devil. Thank you very much for watching. Keep safe and God bless. Bye.